Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and it is time for another episode of not Stephanie's Crafting Corner. This is 30-second card in 5 minutes. Now, sometimes it's less, sometimes it's more, but in reality, back in the day, 14 and a half years ago when we started the company, I told Ken I could make a card in 30 seconds. And he said, try it. And you need to go watch that first video if you've never seen it, because in all honesty, it's pretty funny. I even think it's funny, and it's me. So you got to go check it out. In the meantime, watch this one first. I'm going to make a 30-second card. Now, obviously, you know it takes a couple seconds more than 30 seconds, but we'll try. Ken's going to time me. He's off camera. He's going to time me. I am going to use today my 5x7 square flip it, because now I get to finally start using it again. So I'm going big this time with the 5x7 card. Usually I make standard A2 cards, and I got a little tricky and I have the 3 dies I need the most right here. I've also grabbed a couple pieces of cardstock, and I have a couple stamps, and I got smart this time. I grabbed my scrap envelopes that have my adhesive backed scraps in it. So I knew these colors I was probably going to be using today, so I pulled those so I wouldn't have to grab back here. So I'm kind of like, I'm not cheating, but I'm ready, locked and loaded. So let's see. Take a breath. Ooh, find my zen. Kenny, are you ready to start the time? He said he is ready. On your marks. Get set. Start the time. Dun, 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 dun. So I'm going to quickly run this die through the machine. This is the 5x7 flip it. It's a square, and we're going to run it through. Yes, it does need a bigger machine, but if you don't have a bigger machine, you can get this in A2 size as well. Now I need to do some die cutting for the layers, and I am going to grab, I saw one, no, not that one, 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 not that one. It was smaller flowers, not that one. Oh, darn. Oh, you know what? No, it's this one. Oh my goodness, it was the first one, goober. Oh, I'm tearing it now. That's not good. Let's grab this. I'm going to use this for one of my panels because it's it's a good size. But I'm also going to need a different one. I got to do it separate. So let's just run this through really quick. Dun, dun, dun. Run it through. There we go. And then I'm going to grab the other one, and I'm going to use Pixie, also known as a light purple. So we're going to run that through for the other side. Now I was able to use the smaller side on the paper pad because I put it at a diagonal. Now let's see, dun, 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 get that going. Okay, we got that, That's extra. Let's grab this. Let's get some adhesive on here. So let's get some adhesive. Okay, there we go. We're gonna lay that down right there. Look at that. Flip-its are, you guys, if you need a fast card, flip-its are the way to go, let me tell you. Here we go. We're adding that adhesive. Get that out of the way. We're laying that down right there. We have yellow all the way around our layering pieces. Now we are, whoa, a little too tall. Now we are going to, that's a way too tall. Hang on. See, now I'm like, no, I pushed it down too much. Hang on. I have to get it straight because it'll freak me out all day. So we're going to go right there. There we go. Better. And we're going to fold it in half towards us. Top flap over, left side LL left, little side on the left. I am going to grab some black adhesive backed cardstock, and I am going to grab this thank you die. So I'm going to grab that. That says thank you, so this is going to be a thank you card apparently. And I'm going to grab that, and I'm going to run that through. Whoops, smaller cutting pad. And I kind of wish I had another, oh, you know what? I wanted to die cut, oh, this is going to be cool. So I found this flower, look at that, and I just need to get some adhesive on it to lay it down, because this is from our paper pad, our lavish long stem paper pad, which is probably one of the best-selling club sets we had in a long time because it's freakishly amazing. And now we're going to run that through. So let's, whoa, stay. We're going to run that through. Oh, come on. Now that's a lot of blade on that thank you, but we should be okay. So we're grabbing that, moving it all over here. Let's grab this. Let's see where we're at. Oh, that's really off-centered. But you know what? Sometimes it happens, and we're just going to let it go. And then we're going to take our thank you, and let's grab this. Now, this is going to be awesome when it's all finished, but we need a color in the background. So I'm going to use the pink in the background to bring that color in. But also, this had some flowers on it. I want to add just at least that one flower right here. So this is going to go on the inside. I need some adhesive. Okay, fine. Here we go. We got this. I'm almost done. Ken, get ready. I'm almost done. Not really, but we'll pretend. And we're going to run this through. Now I have a square to go behind my thank you and that cute little flower, if I hopefully need it. So we're going to go like this. Watch this. We're going to take this pink. Oh, that's off-centered so bad. We're going to peel this up. Now it's the same square. The outer square is the same die. So it's going to layer on there perfectly. But this is just going to look so much nicer having that pink behind it. Now most of the trash is going with the adhesive back. So that's kind of handy, right? Look at that. That was nice and handy and no weeding extra. There we go. We're going to lay that down all the way around. It's going to match. And remember that little pink flower I did? I would rather use something else. Let's grab some little embellishments because I did pink and I shouldn't have done pink. Ooh, let's add a yellow sunflower right on top of that, just like that. Now we have it say thank you. Let's grab this. Let's get our adhesive that I've already lost. Here's one. Let's add some adhesive here. Oh, that one's not, doesn't like that one. Ugh. Getting all messed up here. Okay, here we go. Lay that down right there. Almost done, Ken. Almost done. And we're going to add some adhesive on this one. And we're going to add that flower right there. And then really quick to finish this off, we're going to flip it over and I'm going to get, Ken, you better totally get ready with that because I'm almost done. Right here, stop. Stop. I didn't hear it stop. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. So here we go. I don't know, you guys. Hang on. Let me clean this area up a little bit. I'm really disappointed that flower didn't cut out very well. I'm really disappointed. But let's look at the finished product. Here we go. We have our thank you. Pink matches my pink flowers down here. And the black adds to the black outlines of the flowers. So that works. Open that up. Thank you. I can write my message. I have my cute little flower there. Look, see? I mean, come on. Come on. That's worth the extra second, right? Then on the back, with my personalized stamp, it says this card was crafted with love, patience, and a little bit of Diet Coke. Diet Coke's right down there. There we go. Okay, Ken. I'm a little nervous to find out. Oh, well, could have been better, I think. Could have been better, but it could have been a lot worse. So the answer to your question is how quickly did she do that? 5 minutes and 12 seconds. It is what it is. I don't know how I could have done it any really faster, really, because it is a flip it card. So you guys, flip it cards are pretty awesome. So, and it's 5x7, which is even better, right? I'm okay with it. I'll take it. The only thing I don't like is how I accidentally didn't tape this flower die down better to make it look better. But, you know, what can you do, right? Thank you so much for joining me for another episode of not Stephanie's Crafting Corner. Another episode of a 30-second card in 5 minutes and 12 seconds. I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.
So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes. Because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunrise out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, my indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if you never know? I'm left with nothing. Come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you like that, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl, come on, indie rock girl. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you wanna know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, baby. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl, come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl, come on, indie rock girl. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if we never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, 'cause you look good. And there will never be connection without repeated actions. But wish we could have it like that, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you wanna know? You just try looking through open eyes.
Thank you so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.